In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the background eraser brush in Affinity. By the end, you'll know how to quickly remove a background while keeping your subject clean and crisp. Start by opening the Affinity app on your computer and loading the photo you want to work on. This tool shines when there's a clear difference between your subject and the background, but it also handles tricky edges like hair with a bit of care. If your image is very small, zoom in so you can comfortably see the edge you'll be working along. Next, look to the top left of the interface and click the pixel icon. This switches you into the pixel persona, which is the mode designed for pixel-based editing. It ensures you're using raster tools rather than vector tools, which is essential for erasing pixels directly from your image. On the left toolbar, choose the background eraser brush. If you don't see it immediately, it may be grouped with other erase tools. Just click and hold on the eraser icon to reveal it. Once it's selected, glance up to the options bar to set your brush size and hardness. A softer edge blends better along hair and fabric, while a harder edge gives a cleaner cut on solid shapes. You can also adjust tolerance. Lower values keep the erase action tightly focused, while higher values remove a broader range of similar colors. Hover your cursor so the small crosshair in the center sits right between your subject and the background. Think of the crosshair as your sampling point. It decides which color range to erase. The outer circle shows the brush area that will be affected. Keep that crosshair mostly over the background you want to remove, and let the outer ring overlap the subject's edge just a little. If the brush feels too big or small, use the bracket keys to resize on the fly for precision. You'll notice a helpful on-screen guide as you hover. The crosshair and ring make it easy to line up the edge. If the preview suggests it might catch part of your subject, pause and adjust your brush size, hardness, or tolerance before you begin dragging. Now, erase the background by clicking and gently dragging along the edge of your subject. Work in short, controlled strokes, and reposition often to keep the crosshair on background colors. If you see parts of your subject disappear, undo, reduce tolerance, or shrink the brush, then try again. Continue around the entire subject until you see the transparent checkerboard behind it. With practice, this becomes fast, accurate, and surprisingly satisfying.